First question. Find the highest power of 10 in 100 factorial. Factorial means 10 is a composite number. It is 2 into 5. It is 5 already we did. Answer is 24. First one, answer is 24. Already we did this question. Find the number of zeros at the end of 101 factorial. 101 factorial. 5 20s are 5 4s are 20 plus 4. It is 24. Second one, answer is 24. What is important for me is not this question. Now see here. Note. Note. Listen carefully, sir. Note. Very, very important note. 5 factorial. 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. How many zeros are there? Number of zeros at the end. Number of trailing zeros. It is based on the highest power of 5. So 1 power it is there. Now if you see here, 6 factorial. 6 is 6 into 5 factorial. Again number of zeros at the end. 1. 7 factorial. 8 factorial. 9 factorial. All will have how many zeros at the end? 1 zeros at the end. That means starting with 1 number which is a factorial of 5 till you get the next number which is a multiple of 5. All will have 1 0 at the end. All will have 1 0 at the end. This line is extremely important to me. Listen carefully, sir. Starting with the number which is a multiple of 5. Starting with 10 factorial. Till the number which is 1 less than the multiple of 5. 14 factorial. Number of zeros at the end will remain same. Number of zeros at the end. In this case, it is 2. In this case, it is 2. Suppose if the question he is asking 101 factorial. 101 factorial. What is the multiple of 5? Just closer to 101 factorial, 100 factorial. From 100 factorial till 104 factorial, number of trailing zeros will be same. It is as equivalent to determining the number of zeros for 100 factorial. I hope it is clear. Suppose if he is asking 237 factorial has same number of zeros as 231 7 factorial has same number of trailing zeros as 235 factorial, 238 factorial, 239 factorial, and answer is all of this. Answer is all of this. What will be the answer? 237 factorial. What is the multiple of 5? Just less than 237 factorial. 235 factorial. From 235 factorial till 239 factorial, number of zeros will be same. So answer for this question is all of this. Do not waste your time in doing the number of zeros for every number. Every number. So please write down, sir. 5x factorial till 5x plus 4 factorial. The number of trailing zeros will be same. Number of trailing zeros will be same. Number of trailing zeros will be same. Very, very interesting key point. It will help us to eliminate a lot of calculation time. Otherwise, you will keep on doing it. If the number is 237 factorial, take the number which is just less than this number and a multiple of 5. Suppose 109 factorial. What are the natural number? What are the factorials where the number of trailing zeros will be same? 104 factorial, 106, 107 and 108. Are you all with me? Trailing zeros will be same. Trailing zeros will be same. Perfect idea. Idea it is power. To explain that concept only, I did the second question. First question 100 factorial. Same number of zeros will be there for 101 factorial. Third question. Third question. Find the maximum of 100 is highest power of 5. Now what we will do is 100 is 5 2 square into 5 2 square into 5 square. So for 5, it is, how much it is? 5, it will be 200. And this will be 5 40s are, 5 8s are, 5 1s are, 5 1s are. 5 1s are. Find the maximum of 100 in 1000 factorial. 100 is 4 into 25. So 1000 factorial. 1000 factorial can be written as 5 power. How much it is? 248. 248. 240, 248, 249. 2 it will be. 2 it will be. Anyway, answer is 249. 249. This cannot be. Find the maximum of 100 in 100 factorial. 100 can be written as 2 square into 500. Please change the question. This question is not clear. Find the highest power of 100. Find the highest power of 100 in 1000 factorial. 100 is 2 square into 5 square. Right? I hope it is clear. Answer is 249. Find the number of zeros at the end of the product. At the end of the product. Now if you see here, number of zeros at the end, which is trailing zeros. Here 1 it is there. Here another power of 5 it is there. Here 5 square into 3. Another 2 it is there. Another 2 it is there. I hope it is clear. Now if you see here, how many powers of 5 we got? Powers of 5. Here it is 25 into 3. It is plus 2. Here it is 5 into 3. Here it is plus 1. And here it is plus 1. So 2 plus 1 plus 1. I got 4. Now here, if I take 5 power 4 into, if I take here, this is 30. 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. Another plus 1 we got. So it is 5. Don't do these silly mistakes. These are the kind of problems where you might do silly mistakes. So 12 is 2 square into 3. 5 is 5 power 1. 15 is 5 into 3. I don't require it. 24 is 2 cube into 3. I don't require it. 13 I don't require. So 30 contains 2 and 5. 75 it is 5 square into 3. I don't require anything other than 2 and 5. 2 square, how many I got? Here 2, here it is there, here 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. I got 6 for 2. For 5 it is 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 power 5 into K3. So answer is 2 into 5 power 5 into 2 into K3. Answer is 5. I hope the idea it is clear. Answer for this question is 5. I hope the idea it will be clear. In these cases, please be extremely slow and do it very slowly. There are chances sometimes highest power of 2 we will get it. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7. Now, this is a very, very good question, sir. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 and so on up to 128. 128 is 2 power 7. 128 is 2 power 7. This number is 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 and so on up to 101 into 2 power 7. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 and so on up to 101. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. This entire question solutions PDF will only be given to the enrolled students. You can see whatever I am writing, the same PDF, the enrolled students, you will get it in your course login ID. Other students, probably, they can only watch the class. That's the difference between a paid and a non-paid students into 2 power 7. So this will be 5. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. This will be 15. Extra, all are odd numbers, right? 25. Next will be 35. Next will be 45. Next is 55. 65. 75, 85, and next will be 95. Only the focus will be on these numbers because I require number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end into 2 power 7. Into 2 power 7. Now listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. How many powers of 5 we got? Let us see. These plus 1, these plus 1, these plus 2, these plus 1, these plus 1, these plus 1, 5 into 11, 5 into 13, plus 2, and it is plus 1, and it is plus 19, 5 into 19, plus 1. Are you all with me? 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 into 11 into 13 into 15. Only odd numbers we should take. 5, 15, 25. Every time there is an increase of 10. 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85, 95. Next is 105. How many powers of 5? Maximum number of zeros. So this will be 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So it is 5 power 12 into some other prime bases into 2 power 7. The question I change it to number of zeros at the end. 5 into 2 power 7 into 5 power 5 into K1. So 10 power 7. The number of zeros at the end, I will get 7. I will get 7. Now you don't need to do all this. You don't need to do all this. Just by looking at the question itself, I will keep the answer as 7. I will keep the answer as 7. Why I will keep the answer as 7? Now see here. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 and so on up to 101. In this one, how many multiples of 5 I will get? 5 ones are 5 to 5 19s are 95. Powers of 5 I am getting greater than 7. So answer will be the lowest power of 2. So answer will be 5 into 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 and so on up to 2 power 7. Here, what are the multiples of 5? 5, next 15, next 25, next 35. 5 into 1, 5 into 3, 5 into 5. 5 into 5 means extra 2 will come. 5 into 7, extra 1, extra 1, extra 1, extra 1. 75 is 25 into 3, extra 2, extra 1. So how many 5 powers I got? 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. 12. I got 12. So 2 power 7. To get the maximum number of, there is a difference between, see here, the English statements, number of zeros. There is a difference between number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end. 20300. Number of zeros at the end. It is 2. Number of zeros for this number, it is 3. Number of zeros at the end, that means at the tail end, how many zeros are there? I added at the end. Number of zeros means all the zeros wherever it is present, we have to multiply. We have to multiply. What I found out in the question? I found out in this question. Number of zeros at the end. I hope you understood the difference between number of zeros. Number of zeros in 20300. 3 zeros are there. Number of zeros at the end. 2 zeros are there. Understand this English and solve it orally. Next one. Next question. Another beautiful question, sir. These are all some calculation based questions where you might do a mistake. 140 factorial into 5 into 15 into 22 into 11 into 14 into 135. It is clearly mentioned. It is number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end. It is the highest power of 10, which is the power of 2 and 5, which is the power of 2 and 5. I need the power of 2 and 5. Listen carefully, sir. 2 and 5. 11 I don't require. It is 2 into 7. I require 135. It is 5 into 27. 27 I don't require. 7 I don't require. 22, it is 2 into 11. 11 I don't require. 15, it is 5 into 3. 3 I don't need. 5 I need. 140 factorial. Highest power of 5 will be 5 28s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, which will be 5 power 34 into K1. Into K1. Power of 2's will be more. So here I got 34 5's. Here I got another 5. Here I got another 5. Here I got another 5. So 34 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Answer for this question is 37. Not only for 140 factorial. In 140 factorial, powers of 2. Even in the first step itself, you are able to say it is greater than 70. But here it is close to 34. So 2 you don't need to take. 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. Are you all with me? So here 34 are there, 34, 28, 5 1. 34, here 1 5, here 1 5, and here 1 5. 34 plus 3. Answer will be 37. I hope the idea it is clear. Sixth one, another question. This we already did it. The best thing about our class is, in case if your fundamentals are good, you can solve a lot of problems. The number 2, 4, 6 and 8 till 100 are multiplied. 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 and so on up to 100. So this will become 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 and so on up to 250s are 100. So it is 2 power 50 into 50 factorial. Number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end. For factorial, it is dependent on the power of 5. 5 10s are 5, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2. Answer will be 12. Answer will be 12. Only for factorial problems. Only for factorial problems. Number of zeros at the end is dependent on the power of 5. So 5 10s are, 5 2s